Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be showing how to remove Subaru Impreza brake lights. To gain access to the light screws you need to remove or make your way to the boot trim using screwdriver to remove the clips. Once you've made your way to the tail light screws you need to remove the 4 nuts using 8mm ratchet or spanner. I've used the spanner as they were easy to remove. Once you've loosened the nuts, you can easily remove it with your hand. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the rest of the screws. Once you've unscrewed all the 4 nuts, you will now need to remove the connector. Make sure you pull the connector from the plastic part and not the wires, as they will cause you a headache. Now all you need to do is pull it towards you and you've removed your Subaru Impreza rear lights. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.